Forget everything you knew about
creating AI influencers.
Because the rules have completely changed.
What you're about to see will redefine the way you use AI forever.
I'm talking about AI models.
So advanced that they blur the line
Between real and artificial.
Now imagine creating your own AI influencer that stays consistent in every image and video you generate. You can design the character exactly the way you want, place it in different environments, change outfits, and even generate videos where the character moves, talks, or copies motion from other videos. This is really useful if you create content for social media, ads, or AI-based videos because everything can be generated quickly while keeping the same character identity. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do all of this step by step using a tool called APOB AI. So guys, first of all, you need to open APOB AI. After opening it, simply sign in to your account. Once you sign in, you'll see an interface like this. Here you just need to click on Create Portrait Model. As soon as you click on it, a new interface will open. And here you'll get two options to create your model. The first option is Upload AI Influencer. If you already have an AI influencer, you can simply upload it here. The second option allows you to create your own AI influencer from scratch, so you can choose whichever you like. For now, we'll use the second option because I want to create my model from scratch. As soon as we click on it, another interface will open, and this is where our AI influencer will be generated. First, we'll select the character build we want. I'll select Slim. Next, we'll select the country. For example, I'll go with America. After that, we'll choose the eye color, then select the hairstyle, and after that, we'll choose the hair color. Next, we'll select the face shape. You can choose whichever one you like. Once all of these are selected, simply scroll back up and choose the gender of your character. You can select male or female depending on what you want to generate. For this example, I'll select female. You can also change the age, height, and weight of the character. For now, I'll keep the age at 25 and leave the other settings on default. Once you're satisfied, just click Generate. Now the AI influencer will start generating. Alright guys, our AI influencer has now been generated. It looks good, but to be honest, I'm not completely satisfied with the hairstyle. So I'll generate another one. To do that, I'll slightly modify the hairstyle and eye settings, then click Regenerate. As soon as we regenerate, a new character will appear. And honestly, this one looks much better to me. So I'll select this one, just click Select this image as reference. After clicking that, you'll see options for model name and description. I'll simply name the model Olivia. The description field is optional, so you can fill it if you want, but I'll leave it blank. After that, click Create your image model now. Once you click it, another interface will open. Here you can generate your model in different styles. You'll see 5 style options: art style clothing, architecture, landscape, weather. You can select any of these styles and your model will be generated accordingly. You can also add a custom prompt if you want. For now, I'll just select a simple style. So to generate the image, first set the image quality to Ultra S 4K for the best results. After that, go to clothing and select formal outfit or any other outfit you like. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, the image will be generated. And just look at the quality and character consistency. The image looks very professional. The outfit looks natural and everything looks great. Now let's generate an image using multiple styles. For that, I'll keep the art style simple. In clothing, I'll select casual. In architecture, I'll choose business city. In landscape, I'll select beach. And in weather, I'll choose sunny day. After that, make sure Ultra S 4K is selected for the best quality, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, another image will be generated. As you can see, the quality is excellent and the character remains consistent, which is a very good thing. And the image looks absolutely realistic. Now let me show you another useful feature called Chat to Edit. Simply go to Edit Image, then upload your character image. After uploading, just enter a prompt describing the outfit you want. Then select Ultra S quality and click Generate. And that's it. Your updated image will be generated with the new outfit applied. Now, let me show you another powerful feature, which is image to video. Here you need to upload your character image again. After uploading, paste your prompt. Now here, you'll see a powerful option called Add Elements. And it's extremely powerful. With this, you can add any product into your influencer's hand, or basically anything you want. For now, we'll just add a perfume. You can select multiple elements here, but for now, we'll upload just one image. So click on Add Element. After clicking on it, upload your product image. Then enter the element name. Once that's done, select the category. I'll choose product. After saving, set the video duration. You can go up to 15 seconds, but I'll keep it at 10 seconds for this demo. Finally, select Full HD and click on Generate. And that's it. Your video will start generating. Here's the final result. Now let's move to one of the most powerful sections, which is Edit Video. Inside this section, you'll find multiple sub-features. The first one is Edit Character. Here you need to upload the original video that you want to replicate. So simply upload the video here. After the video is uploaded, you need to add your AI influencer image. There are 3 ways to add the image. Generate it using a prompt, upload an existing image from your device. Select from the images you already generated. For this example, we'll generate a reference image using a prompt. Just click Generate Reference Image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the reference image will appear. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it, but this one looks fine. Now select the image. After that, make sure the video quality is set to Full HD, then click Generate. And here's your final video. The AI influencer copies the original video very accurately. Now let me show you another feature inside Edit Video, which is Edit Motion. Click on Edit Motion. Here we'll upload the AI influencer image we generated earlier. After that, upload the video whose motion you want to copy. Once both files are uploaded, set the quality to Full HD and click Generate. And that's it. Your video will be generated where your AI character performs the same motion. Now let me show you another feature called Talking Video. First, upload your model image. After uploading the image, the next step is to add a voiceover to your model. You can either upload an existing voiceover or generate one directly inside the tool. For this example, I'll generate the voiceover. Click Generate Voiceover, choose a voice model you like, then click Create Voice Model. Fill in the required details like gender, language, and age, then click AI Voice Generator. Once the voice is generated, you'll get 3 voice previews. Listen to them and select the one you like. I'll select the first one and click Use this voice, then click Create my model. After that, paste your script into the text box and click Create. Your voiceover will now be generated. If you're satisfied with it, click Select this audio as reference. Then set the quality to Ultra and click Generate. And here's the final talking video result.
If you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you stay updated with the next videos. Now, let's continue.
So guys, that's how you can create your own AI influencer, generate consistent images, and even create videos using APOB AI. If you want to try it yourself, you can check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming AI tutorials.